Okay, now uh, we should to start the extension of the previous class. The previous class we taught line segment to till rectangle parallelogram. The next extension of class we should discuss. Now let us 10th number, that is cube. First one is cube. So cube is nothing but a four-sided figure. The four-sided figure which are having equal sides. Which are having equal side.
Equal sides.
I like college, school. Example chalk box. Okay, I told you just now all are having the same sides. Same sides.
Yeah.
Same sides. Now one more thing you need to understand, the cube is having, let us take this is a length. This is a length.
Length.
This is a height. This is a breadth. Length, breadth, height. Okay.
Height.
చాకీస్ బాక్స్ ఉంటుంది మీకు లెంత్ ఉంటుంది బ్రెత్ ఉంటుంది హైట్ ఉంటుంది త్రీ
Height
కాన్సెప్ట్స్
ఉంటుంది.
when
Yes.
the
Length into breadth.
the object the object or thing which possessing length and breadth and height, these comes under this possessing a lateral surface area or curved surface area, or else it comes under a volume concept. That you need to understand, blind concept, length, breadth, height. These three concepts which is possessing, those possessing a lateral or curved or volume concept, this comes under thing. Blindly you can remember. Okay, now cube is very clear, right? Now let us start working.
Yeah.
First one is area. First concept is formula is very area. Where please be concentrate. First thing is area. So here area comes under the main clear. The area, two areas are there. First one is surface area
Surface area.
plus rest of area. Surface area means in this what type of surface area is possessing? Lateral surface area plus rest of area. Lateral surface area plus and rest of area. Area means lateral surface area means rest of area. These two comes under we can say TSA, total surface area. In your college, in your book, the textbook, they're asking what is the area of a cube means you can understand. They're asking total surface area. Total surface area nothing but lateral surface area means rest of area. Now clear? I will take the formula now. I'll explain very clearly how to calculate total surface area nothing but a lateral surface area plus rest of area. Now I'll consider lateral surface area. Lateral surface area means what? Chalk box is there, right? Chalk box we have to,
Yeah.
I told you, four-sided. So lateral surface area means మీకు నాలుగు సైడ్లు కావాలి ఏరియా. Side 1, side 2, side 3, inside side. Four sides. Each side area కనుక్కోవాలి. అంటే area 1, area 2, area 3, area 4. I told you lateral surface area అంటే area 1, area 2, area 3 and area 4. ఓకేనా? Rest of area అంటే area 5 plus area 6. Clear? Next, what about the shape of area 1? What is the shape of area 1? ఎట్లా ఉంటుందంటే షేప్ ఇట్లా ఉంటుంది, స్క్వేర్ లాగా ఉంటుంది షేప్. అవునా కదా? చాక్పీస్ బాక్స్ యూ కెన్ టేక్ ఆల్ సైడ్స్ లుక్ లైక్ ఎ స్క్వేర్. ఓకేనా? ఐ టేక్ వన్ పీస్ లైక్ దిస్. ఇట్లా ఉంటుంది ఏరియా. అంటే ఎట్లా ఉన్నాయి? ఒక స్క్వేర్ లాగా ఉన్నాయి. వాట్ ఈస్ ది ఏరియా ఆఫ్ A1? A ఇంటూ A. ఐ లైక్ ఎ స్క్వేర్. అర్థమైందా? Like, so what is area 1? A square. What is area 2, Nana? Area 2. Area 2 also same. A square. Area 3 also A square. Area 4 also A square. Wow, very good. This is a lateral surface area, LSA. Plus, what about A5? A square. What is A6?
A square.
This is called a rest of area. Okay, na? Examination they will ask lateral surface area అంటే మీరు ఏం రాయాలి ఫార్ములా? 4A square రాయాలి. 4A square lateral surface area. TSC అన్నాడు అనుకోండి, you can take LSA plus rest of area nothing but 4A square plus A square into 2A square nothing but 6A square.
Okay.
Once again I will conclude that the cube lateral surface area formula is 4A square.
4A square.
Total surface area is 6A square.
6A square.
Okay, na? Direct formula. Okay. Next, volume. ఎప్పుడైనా వాల్యూమ్ అంటే ఏమి అంటే మనము లెంత్ ఇంటూ బ్రెడ్త్ ఇంటూ హైట్ జనరల్ ఫార్ములా. లెంత్ ఇంటూ
Okay.
బ్రెత్ ఇంటూ హైట్.
Breadth into height.
బట్ ఇక్కడ లెంత్ ఎంత ఉంది మనకు స్క్వేర్ కి, క్యూబ్ కి ఎంత ఉంది లెంత్? ఏ. లెంత్ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఏ, బ్రెత్ కూడా హైట్ కూడా ఏ.
A.
ఆన్సర్ ఏంటిది? ఏ క్యూబ్. సో సింపుల్
A
ఫార్ములా
cube.
వాట్ ఈస్ ద వాల్యూమ్ ఆఫ్ క్యూబ్ అంటే ఏ క్యూబ్ అని చెప్పాలి.
3.
ఓకేనా? క్లియరా?
Okay. A cube.
క్లియరా? ఏమైనా డౌట్ ఉందా? క్లియర్ కదా?
No doubt.
I think you can
Yeah.
take a chalk piece box. Area A, that is a cube. Clear, right?
Okay.
Now cube is clear.
Yes.
Area అని చెప్పాను. Lateral surface area అంటే 4a square. Total surface area అంటే 6a square. Volume అంటే a cube.
A cube.
Then right. Now cube is clear. Now next one, 11th one, cuboid.
What is the perimeter of it?
The
What is the
perimeter,
perimeter of it?
the perimeter things we should not supposed to talk in this case. Letters you can take perimeter, it doesn't make any difference. You can take L into L into A. This is nothing but 3A. 3 or not is 4A. Four sides. Four sides right. Box like untadi kinda. A plus A plus A plus A. Fencing it is 4A. But perimeter concept should not ask anywhere. No one will touch that. That is what I was skip the concept now. Okay. Now let us will go for the concept of cuboid now. Now let us take the fourth one is cuboid. Now it is comes under
What are the properties of
the properties of cube is very simple. All sides are same. Simple. Diagonal are same. Okay.
Okay.
All diagonals
Okay.
are same. Opposite diagonals are same. Sides are same. That's all. Properties. All faces are same side, same area. So people are very interesting, I think so. Let us write properties. No one will ask. If you are interested that properties, I'll try to elaborate. All sides are same. Sides are same means faces same.
All sides are
Faces.
equal.
Faces area same.
Faces.
Faces area same. Opposite diagonals same. Third one. Opposite diagonals.
Diagonals.
Opposite diagonal length same untadi. ఈ కార్నర్ ఆ కార్నర్. This is enough for that property.
Okay.
If you're really interested, I'll move that. Next, you'll go for the 11th one, cuboid. Okay, cuboid is nothing but it's like a cube. It is like a cube. Their length breadth is different. Let us cuboid is nothing but, you can take a textbook. You can take textbook ఎలా ఉంటుందంటే ఇట్లా ఉంటుంది. Textbook ఇట్లా ఉంటుంది textbook. I think you are taking a long notebook. Long note should be like this. The long note should be like this. It will let us take a long notebook. It should like textbook. It will enter the textbook. Okay.
Okay.
Or you can take mobile phone also. You can take mobile phone or textbook. It should be like this. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Now we can take here. This is the length. This is the breadth of your textbook. This is the height of your textbook. This is the height of your textbook.
Okay.
But textbook this, or else you can take brick తీసుకోండి, ఇటుక తీసుకోండి. మీరు తెలుగు వాళ్ళు ఇటుకలు ఎట్లుంటాయి, లెంత్ బ్రెత్ హైట్ ఉంటుంది.
Yeah.
So like a bricks. Or you can take just better take textbook is example. Long textbook, thick textbook, length breadth height, three are different. So three are different means that type of shape is called as cuboid. The type of shape is called as cuboid. Okay. Now cuboid is possessing area. The area means here also two types of areas. One is a lateral surface area plus
Lateral surface area.
rest
Plus-
of area. Rest of area.
Rest surface area.
So lateral surface area means మీరు textbook తీసుకోండి. If you have a textbook or mobile phone, you can take textbook or mobile phone. Please try to concentrate on that. Textbook top bottom తీసేసేయండి. Top bottom పైన portion కింద portion తీసేసేయండి. You can take concentrating on sides. This is a side 1, A1. Let us, I'll take other marker. This is the A1, A2, A3, A4, A4. So lateral surface area means what you can say? Lateral surface area, LSA means A1, A2, A3,
A1
A4,
plus
A2,
A2,
A3,
A3, A4.
A4. Now please try to say what is the area of A1? Area of A1 ఎలా ఉంటుందండి ఇది? How should we look like? It should look like a rectangle.
Rectangle.
This is L. What about this one? It is H. మీకు ఇక్కడ H వచ్చింది.
Square.
You can take H. You can take.
Height.
Nothing wrong in that.
Oh.
Next, area 2 you can take. Area 2, how should we look like? Area 2 means this one. Huh?
Yes.
Area should be look like a rectangle. This means breadth into height.
Rectangle.
breadth into height. Okay. Now area
Okay.
same L into H ఉంటుంది ఇక్కడ. L into H. Area 4 ఎట్లా breadth into height ఉంటుంది.
Yeah.
Now try to right answer here. L into H, B into H, L into H, B into H. This you can take 2LH, 2BH.
2LH plus BH.
You can take 2, what is common? 2H into L plus B.
Into L.
2H into L plus B. This
L
is
plus
lateral
B.
surface
Okay.
area. అర్థమైందనా?
Yeah.
అర్థమైంది.
Very clear. Now let's go for rest of area. Rest of area means area of 5 and area of 6. Okay na? But area 5 అంటే ఏంటి? Top. Area 6 అంటే బాటమ్. రెండు సేమే ఉంటాయి. టాప్ తీసుకుంటారు. టాప్ ఎట్లా ఉంటుందండి? ఒక రెక్టాంగిల్ షేప్ టాప్. ఇది L, ఇది B. ఏరియా 5 ఏంటండి? L into B. ఓకేనా? ఏరియా 6 కూడా L into B నే ఉంటుంది. డౌన్ కదా, టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ డౌన్, L into B ఉంటుంది. అంటే రెస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఏరియా ఏముంటుంది? LB అండ్ LB, 2 times of LB రెస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఏరియా. అర్థమైందా? టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ తీసుకోండి. టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ టాప్ ఎట్లా ఉంటుందో బాటమ్ అట్లే ఉంటుంది కింద. ఓకేనా? నౌ ఐ విల్ కన్ఫర్మ్ యువర్ ఆన్సర్స్. నౌ క్యూబాయిడ్ ఏరియా. ఏరియాలో 2 types. ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఈస్ lateral surface area. Lateral surface area అంటే 2L into 2H కదా, 2H into L plus B. ఓకే. నెక్స్ట్ రెస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఏరియా. రెస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఏరియా ఏంటంటే 2 times of LB. నౌ TSA మీన్స్ టోటల్ సర్ఫేస్ ఏరియా, నథింగ్ బట్ రెండింటిని యాడ్ చేయండి. రెండింటిని యాడ్ చేస్తే ఏమొస్తుంది? 2 times of LB plus BH plus HL. ఇక్కడ ఇది ఓపెన్ చేయండి. 2HL 2HB ఇవన్నీ యాడ్ చేయండి మీరు. 2HL 2BH 2LB అంటే 2 కామన్ తీసి LB BH HL. ఓకేనా? లాటరల్ సర్ఫేస్ ఏరియా, రెస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఏరియా, టోటల్ సర్ఫేస్. నెక్స్ట్ వాల్యూమ్ చెప్పండి. వాల్యూమ్ ఫార్ములా ఏంటిదన్నా? వాల్యూమ్ అంటే లెంత్ ఇంటూ బ్రెడ్త్ ఇంటూ హైట్.
Length into breadth into height.
క్లియరా? This is the volume. This is the volume.
Settle next class.
Okay. Now cuboid is clear. Now we'll move back to that next one. Within 5 to 10 minutes we'll close the class. Next, the last one is cone. Now next cone, we have the diagram. It should be like this: cone ice cream. You are very interested in cone ice cream. This is a cone shape. Now cone shape, it possessing like top one is look like a circle. Top one is look like a circle. This is like a curvature nature. This is a very first time I'm writing all dimensions. Please be looking constant. This is having a radius. This is a circle, right? This is a radius. This is the height of the cone. This is slant length. This is slant length అంటారు. L అనుకోండి, slant length L అంటారు ఇది. సో ఇక్కడ రాయండి, R is a radius. రాసుకోండి కావాలంటే. R is a radius. Height is H is height of cylinder. Height of cone, sorry. Height of cone.
L is length of.
L is slant length అనండి. Slant height or slant length. స్లాంట్ అంటారు. అంటే చూబిక్ లైక్ స్లాంట్ అంటే ఇటు వంకరగా కర్వేచర్ నేచర్ స్లాంట్ అంటారు. స్లాంట్ లెంత్. ఓకేనా? క్లియరా?
Okay.
Now next we'll go for the cone. I told you just now the shape should be like this. I told you just now this is a area, this is radius, this is a height, this is a slant length. Okay. Now this cone is having a area. This area, there are 2 types of area. One is lateral surface area. This don't say it is curved surface area because this should be curvature nature. I told you this is a curvature nature. Okay na? Cone is పైన కవర్ చేస్తాం. సర్కిల్ ఎట్లుంటది? సర్కిల్ కర్వేచర్ నేచర్. CSA plus rest of area. Okay. I think here CSA means this curved surface area. You don't know the formula. I'm writing CSA of cone pi RL. Take direct formula pi RL. Pi is 22/7 value. I is the radius of cylinder. So radius of cone. R is a slant length. Next, I told you rest of area. Rest of area ఏముంటుందన్నా? పైన కప్పు క్యాప్ ఖాళీగా ఉంది. ఇంకా క్యాప్ మూయడమేగా రెస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఏరియా అంటే. క్యాప్ ఎట్లా ఉందండి? సర్కిల్ షేప్ లో ఉంది. సో రెస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఏరియా సర్కిల్ ఏరియా. సర్కిల్ ఏరియా ఏంటి? pi r square. Okay, na?
Pi r square.
Okay.
Okay.
Now rewriting, I'll be reconfirming all. Cone number 1, curved surface area is pi rl.
Current surface area.
Next one, rest of area is look like a circle is
Rest of
pi
area
r
is
square. Third one,
pi r square.
TSA ఏమి అంటే CSA plus rest of area.
Total
Nothing
surface area.
pi
CSA
rl
plus rest of area.
plus pi r square. ఇక్కడ
Pi r l
గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి.
plus pi,
If you are a
pi r
toppers,
square.
you can take pi
Okay.
r common, L plus R will come. Next, last one, volume. Volume formula is 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3 pi r square h. గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి ఇది.
R square h.
Pi r square h. H is height of the
Okay.
cone, R is radius, pi is 22 by 7. Clear? I think I told you volume is it possessing a volume, that is what you are having. Cone is clear?
Yeah.
Clear.
No. Now one more thing, cone ki ఇది curved ఒక lateral rest of area means ఒక cap close చేసి close అయిపోతుంది. Single cap is there. That you remember. Okay. Now we'll go
Okay,
for a
sir.
cuboid. The cuboid, I told you, it's like a paint box. Like this, a paint box.
Completed, sir.
Yeah. Paint cuboid is not completed. Now concentrate on that. This is the radius.
Completed.
No, it is not completed. This is just I told you the dimensions. I told you complete. Cuboid is should be like this. Okay. This is the height of a cuboid. Okay. It doesn't have a slant length. It is the same. Here also same. Here also same. Height is same. Cuboid. This is the radius. Okay. Now the here also same concept is area. Area means it is like a curvature nature. This one box. So this is CSA, curved surface area plus rest of area. Now I'll go for a curved
Rest of area.
now curved surface area. I will give direct formula. The curved surface area is pi r square h. Sorry, this one I'll try to erase.
Pi
2
r
pi r
square
2
h.
2 pi rh. Formula is 2 pi rh. 2 pi rh. Curved surface
2
area.
pi r h.
Next, one more thing. Rest of area means what? How many rest of
Yes.
areas? 2 caps are there. Bottom one cap, top one cap. Because you need to close the complete box. So what is a circle 1, circle 2. So what is the CSA? 2 pi rh.
Circle 1 plus
Circle 1
2.
is what? Pi r
2
square.
pi r
Circle 1
h
is
plus
pi r square.
pi
Area
r
of a
square
circle.
plus pi r square.
So this is 2 pi rh plus what is this one? 2 pi r square.
Plus
Okay.
pi r.
Okay. This one cuboid. Sorry, cylinder. I told you. Sorry, sir. Cylinder. Okay. Sorry for inconvenience. This is cylinder. Cylinder shape. Okay. Now I'll confirm that. Once again, recall cylinder. I'll conclude the formulas first of all. What is the first one? CSA. Curved surface area. What is the curved surface area formula? 2 pi RH. Just now I told you 2 pi RH. This one is 2 pi RH. Curved surface area. This is a box. Okay. Now next one, rest of area. Rest of area means what? Pi r square, 2 pi r square. Third one, TSA, total surface area. Total surface area means what? Add చేయండి. 2 pi RH plus 2 pi r square.
Plus
If you
2
are
pi
taken
r
common,
square.
2 pi r into h plus r. Fourth one,
Okay.
volume. Fourth one is volume. Volume is just pi r square h.
Pi r square h.
Pi r square h. Okay.
Okay.
One interesting relation is there. That relation I'll try to explain for you. Cone and cylinder. This is a cone, Nana. This is a cylinder. Okay, interesting relation. What is the volume of cone? Formula cheppandi. Volume of cone.
Volume of cone.
1 by 3 pi r square h.
And
What about this volume of cylinder?
1 by 3 pi r square.
Pi r square h. The concept ఏమి అంటే
Pi r square h.
the volume of cone is, this is a cone, this is a cylinder. అంటే the volume of cone is 1/3 of volume of cylinder. So you can say volume of cone is 1/3 of volume of cylinder. Okay, na? Or you can say volume of cylinder is equal to 3 times of volume of cone. విత్ ద సేమ్ రేడియస్. అంటే ఒకవేళ ఇక్కడ మీకు రేడియస్ కనుక ఇక్కడ ఎంత ఉంది రేడియస్, సపోజ్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ యు హావ్ టేకన్ దిస్ ఇస్ ద రేడియస్ ఇస్ 3 centimeters. This is also 3 centimeters. Here the cone radius also 3 centimeters. Example, the height also same. This height and this height also same. Example, let us say this is a 5 meter. This is a 5 meters. This case, this thing should be going to be satisfied. And the meaning eme ante for the same radius, for the same radius, for the same height, the volume of cone is 3 times the volume of cylinder, or volume of cylinder is 3 times the volume of cone. అంటే మీనింగ్ ఏమి అంటే ఒక కోన్ వాటర్ తీసుకొని ఇందులో పోస్తే 3 సార్లు వేయాలి. 3 times కోన్ వాటర్ ఇందులో పోస్తే సిలిండర్ ఫిల్ అవుతుంది. లైక్ ఇన్ యువర్ టెక్నికల్ నాలెడ్జ్ కంటే 3 glasses లైక్ కోన్ తీసుకొని అందులో పోస్తే సిలిండర్ ఫిల్ గా నిండుతుంది. దట్ ఈస్ ద వాల్యూమ్ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఆఫ్ రిలేషన్ ఆఫ్ బోత్. దిస్ రిలేషన్ విల్ బి కమ్ ఇన్ అ కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్. ఇది గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. దిస్ ఇస్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ద లాస్ట్ వన్ ఇస్ స్పియర్. విత్ దిస్ యువర్ కాన్సెప్ట్ గోయింగ్ టు బి హ్యాండ్. స్పియర్ ఏమి అంటే ఏ క్లోజ్డ్ సర్ఫేస్. క్లోజ్డ్ మీకు ఐ థింక్ యు ఆర్ సీన్ ఇన్ ద కాలేజ్ యువర్ స్కూల్స్ గ్లోబ్ అంటారు.
Yes.
గ్లోబ్ ఎట్లా ఇట్ ఇస్ అ కంప్లీట్ క్లోజ్డ్ వెజల్. ఇట్ ఇస్ ఏ స్పియర్. ఓకేనా? స్పియర్ అర్థమైంది కదా ఎట్లా ఉంటుందో? ఇట్ ఈస్ క్లోజ్డ్. దీనికి రైట్ గా రాసుకోండి. ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ఏ స్పియర్ ఇస్ 4πr².
4πr².
నెక్స్ట్ వాల్యూమ్ ఆఫ్ ది స్పియర్ ఇస్ 4/3πr³. 4/3πr³. This is radius of your sphere, r is radius of sphere. మీరు ఎగ్జామ్ లో ఐ థింక్ యూ కెన్ టేక్ స్మాల్ ఆర్ క్యాపిటల్ ఆర్, నో ప్రాబ్లం అండి. స్మాల్ ఆర్ అయినా పెట్టుకోవచ్చు, క్యాపిటల్ ఆర్ అయినా పెట్టుకోవచ్చు. రిగార్డింగ్ దిస్ యూ కెన్ టేక్. స్పియర్ క్లియరా? జస్ట్ ఏరియా ఉంటుంది. యా దిస్ 4πr². This is the formula. Just you remember the formula. Okay, now no need to do analysis. Just use the formula. Just 4/3πr³. The same question should come 2πr². How you should come? This is just formula you can take. Okay. Last but not least, it's with this you are going to close. I think you are engaged the class. Now hemisphere. Hemisphere means 50% of hemisphere. 50% of hemisphere means you can take a globe, cut into 2 pieces. ఒక గ్లోబ్ తీసుకోండి, cut into 2 pieces. So it should be like this 50% of your globe. Okay, this is 50% of your globe.
Okay.
Now for this we have the areas are different. Now there are 2 areas are coming. This is the curved surface area. Now this is rest of area. Now concept is going to be changed here. But sphere should not be like this. It's only one thing. Only CSA is equal to TSA. Both are same. Here area is nothing but CSA and TSA both are same, because there is no rest of area. So both are same. Just area is there. CSA anna TSA anna edanna same for sphere. But semi-sphere atla kaadu. Area 2 areas untai. Okate CSA. This is a CSA, curved surface area. Here to here. CSA. This is rest of area. So CSA ఎట్లా ఉంటుందండి? 50% of area of hemisphere. అంటే ఏం చేస్తారు? 1/2 4/3πr³. 50% కదా. 2 1 2 2 అంటే ఆన్సర్ ఏమొస్తుంది? 2/3πr³. ఇదేంటిది? CSA. ఓకేనా? నెక్స్ట్ రెస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఏరియా ఎలా ఉంటుందండి? రెస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఏరియా అంటే పైనది. ఇట్ లుక్ లైక్ ఏ స్క్వేర్. సో సర్కిల్. Top and look like circle. What is the area of circle? πr². Okay, na? Once again, I am rewriting hemisphere very clearly with a diagram. This is like this. This is the radius. So I can take a curved surface area. CSA is 2/3πr³. πr². Next, rest of area is πr². This is sorry. This is please try to change. It's only a square will come. πr². If anything is I wrote wrong, it is πr² only. 4/3πr² only. 4πr². I don't write. You only square it is. Okay. 2/3πr². This is rest of area. Now let us take TSA means what, Nana? CSA plus rest of area. So you can take 2/3πr² plus πr². Okay, na?
Okay.
Next, last one, volume of hemisphere. Volume of hemisphere means 50% of volume of cube. Volume of 50% of volume of sphere. 50 volume of sphere into the 4/3 pi r cube.
4/3 pi r cube.
Okay, na? And 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja. What is the answer? Is 2/3 pi r cube.
Pi 3.
Pi r cube. Okay, na?
Okay.
This is the volume of hemisphere. Okay, na? I think I'm going very fast. You people are not at all catching. You did the mistake. What is the mistake you did of? You're not supposed to be following ours. Actually, there are slight changes you're not observing. What is the change? What is the area of a sphere? What's the area of a sphere? 4 pi r square.
4 pi r
4.
What I wrote area of hemisphere?
4 pi r square.
4/3 pi r cube. Okay, you people are copying directly. You're not yet observing here. Okay, there are slight changes here. Area of hemisphere is 50% of area of sphere. I told you. What's the area of sphere? Just 4 pi r square only.
Pi r square.
4 pi r
So
square.
2 1 ja, 2 2 ja. Answer is 2 pi r square.
2 pi r square.
Next, rest of area mean na pi r square. Okay na?
Pi r square.
Now
Pi r
TSC అంటే ఏమైతది? 2 pi r square plus pi r square.
2 pi r square plus pi r
అంటే
square.
టోటల్ ఏమైతది? 3 pi r square అవుతుంది. అంటే కాన్సెప్ట్ అర్థమైంది ఇప్పుడు? మిస్టేక్ ఏం జరిగిందో? We are copying a formula wrong. So let us
I
I'll
not
do,
understand.
now let us concentrate. You can understand. Now semisphere or hemisphere. Diagram should be like this. Diagram should be 50% like this. Please be careful. Now you can easily understand. Now this is a radius. Now this is also radius. Okay. Now here it is. I told you TSA or CSA all are same. I was given the formula 4 pi r square. So here it is not like this. Here CSA is there. CSA is 50% of your this one. This
4 pi r
becomes
square.
2 pi r square. Very clear, no doubt at all. Now this is a rest of area means top one should be circle. Circle should be pi r square. Now TSA means both areas should be copied. This 2 pi r square plus pi r square, it becomes a 3 pi r square. No doubt at all. Clear?
3 pi r square. Okay.
Now it has volume formula. It is volume formula is 4/3 pi r cube. Pi r cube. So it is volume of here. It is 50% of this volume. The 4/3 pi r cube. This you cancel your
4/3
toppers.
pi r
Now we can
cube.
take 2/3 pi r cube. Clear? Huh?
2/3 pi r.
Now
Clear.
this is what the things we has to very fundamental. If anything doubts you're having, clarify, please go to watch previous video, come to the channel and you can easily understand the rest of the things. Okay. Thanks for watching and keep continue for rest of videos. Okay.